some of you please go all the way that way. Please go all the way that way. There we go. Please go that way. Okay, very good. There we go. Follow the seat right here, please. We have a fire in this end of the train. I'm evacuating everybody this way. You don't need no. We have to wait for clearance from dispatch because we have a down power line. We have to wait to get you guys off the train. Hi, I'm sorry. We're having a fire on the train. Do you have any translators here for hearing impaired? Let me come back here. I thought the fire was extinguished. I'll be right there. Yeah. So the fire is extinguished. It looks like it's just an overflow of smoke. I still have not received any notification from anybody on the ground that it's okay to evacuate the train and stuff.
Roger, Leo. Confirming smoke is off.
We have emergency responders reaching the door.
We got multiple patients. I'm gonna start putting people out. Can you walk with the system? Yes. Okay.
Train car 15. Information for LCN. We're gonna keep her.
All clear?
Got clear.
Alright, Manager Carver, train is swept and cleared.
Over.